Today I'm going to show you how to install the BungKing Highway Peg Crash Bar on a 2020 to 2022 Lowrider S or ST. Pretty simple install. We'll get to the tools you need and we will get to it. And here's the tools we're going to need. A pair of pliers. I use like a panel tool to get out the little rubber pieces. A T45. Use an extension to get to the foot peg assembly. The 5/16 Allen key, a wrench, and a torque wrench, and Loctite. Those are the tools you're going to need. Let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, we're going to take our T45, remove the 2 from the peg assembly and the 1 from the master cylinder. There is a washer on there. Make sure you don't lose those. Just let it hang there. All right, now we'll remove this bolt for the master cylinder. Bolt and washer. And we'll just move this out of the way for right now. Just be careful of the brake lines. All right, now we're gonna remove the 2 T45s right here from the peg assembly on the shifter side. Bolt washer, bolt just set off to the side. Now we got to get these pieces out. Take our little panel tool, and I like to wedge it underneath there and kind of bow it out a little bit. All right, once you pop it out, we'll just take our little pliers and just kind of twist it out. It's just a little push pin. It's threaded in there. We'll do the same thing to this one. All right, kind of bowed it out a little bit. We'll just pinch it and start twisting. That's it. We'll get the one on the other side. Remove that one again. Just stick your pliers on there and twist. Break it loose and just twist right out. All right, now take the bar, kind of line it up. And what I like to do is put these bolts in, and this one will take our 5/16 Allen key. Okay, we'll line up these bolts as well. All right, with these bolts lined in, we'll take these back out and put a washer on it, but you're gonna use the bolts supplied. They're longer than the actual other ones. If you can see there, they're about 1/4 of an inch longer. All right, we'll go ahead and put these in with the peg assembly. All right, we'll take the longer bolt that comes with it and the peg assembly, and we'll go ahead and get these started. Take our 5/16 Allen key and take the other bolt and we'll get it threaded in there. All right, with those snug, all right, we'll get these lined up so just snugged in there. This is the smaller bolt with Loctite. Washer, bolt, and Loctite. Now it's loose still. We'll go ahead and get this side put on. Longer bolts again. All right, go ahead and get this lined up here. Screwed in. Next bolt with Loctite. Snug them down a little bit. All right, and they tell you to reuse the passenger bolt because it needs to be a little bit longer. We'll put a little bit more Loctite on it. For the master brake cylinder, Loctite, washer. All right, with all the bolts in, snug down, we're gonna torque everything down. These are 40 to 45 foot-pounds. This says 30 to 40. I'm gonna do it at 35. This at 35, and then these at 45. All right, 35. Change out to my T45, 35. We'll go to the other side and torque down the other 2 bolts over there, and then we'll come back and do these. All right, 35, 35. All right, now we'll do these at 45, 45, 45. All right, we'll go to the other side, 45, and 45. Well guys, that's it. Pretty quick, easy install. Just remember, make sure you torque everything down right, get everything lined up, but pretty simple. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you consider subscribing, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. I greatly appreciate it. And guys, that's it. Remember, ride safe, ride something, and we'll catch you on the next one.